Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I thought this was pretty cool and I thought I would share it with you. If you have Samsung Care Plus and you have it with theft and loss, because there's two that you can choose from. You can choose Samsung Care Plus or Samsung Care Plus with theft and loss, meaning that if you break it or it gets stolen or lost, you can get your phone replaced, and you probably will have to pay a deductible. So it's an extra cost. I think it ends up being like $5 or $6 more per month for the theft and loss. So if you live in a bad neighborhood, or you're concerned with losing your phone, or you're just concerned of being things taken from you, that would be a reason to get it. But there's also potentially another reason, because a Reddit post has come out saying that there's now a $0 front screen repair with Care Plus plan, and he got an email saying that we are pleased to announce exciting recent changes to the Samsung Care Plus plan with theft and loss. Effective January 15th, Samsung Care Plus with theft and loss will be introducing $0 screen repairs. The coverage will apply to damages that impact the front screen and the back glass only. In addition to mail-in repair and walk-in repair options, Care Plus customers will continue to have the option of screen repair at their location of choice. Care Plus customers with eligible plans will automatically be eligible for this coverage starting January 15th. Now, the wording is a little tricky. It definitely is with Samsung Care Plus with theft and loss, but it might also end up being with just Samsung Care Plus. So we'll keep our eyes peeled on that, but definitely if you have the theft and loss, looks like you're gonna be starting to be covered completely with the front glass, meaning this glass on the phone and any back glass on the phone. They would cover that and replace it for you for free, zero deductible. So that's a nice little get for the insurance coverage for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold phones. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you guys get Samsung Care Plus or not, or you find it, do you get somebody else's insurance? Let me know in the comments down below. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.